Hello guys, today we're gonna do a workout for Latin arms. Please check that you push your shoulders all the time down, even if you pick up your arms. And also check that your middle finger is going lower than index and other two fingers, and push your thumb down like up to 90 degrees. And also you need to create an arch like a boat. Okay, let's go.
Exercise. I'm getting you on count three. Just show your stuff or let it be. I'm getting you, so watch your mouth. I'm going to dream, but you're right. When they say it's time to win, and you need to spin. Exercise. I say nothing, there's a way to I can do it because I'm
Look at my hair after this workout. Everything is so messy, and actually it was so hard because hair always was close to my eyes. I like this hairstyle.
Guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't hesitate, subscribe. I will be very happy. I actually wait for your subscription, and you can let me know down below in the comments what you think about that. Just write down something, it doesn't matter. Just give me comments, thumbs up and subscription. Bye.